Hey, what's up? I hope you are doing well. This is a QuitURL.com website. You can use this QuitURL.com website. Okay, you can generate QR code, link shortener, and bio page. You can generate bio page, QR code, and shorten link shortener. Okay, uh, using this feature, this website have pricing feature. This is a pricing feature. Uh, Starter is completely free. Okay, short link, monthly 50. Link click unlimited. You can use the basic feature or advanced feature. Premium feature is the best or popular feature. You can buy this premium feature. At first, you need to get started or register on this website. Okay, after that, you log in this website. Okay, I log in this website. Okay, please wait. Okay, then you can short your link. Suppose this is your link. Okay, this is your long link or messy link. Okay, then you can click shorten. Then your messy link will shorten. Okay, you can use custom alias. Also you can use means folder. Okay, you can use a password protection feature or description. Okay, this is a customization feature, meta tag, geo targeting, device targeting, pixel, etc. Okay, so I click simply shorten. Then mass URL has a shorten as a short URL. Okay, this is a short URL. Then copy. Then you can share on or WhatsApp or YouTube, anything. If are you a YouTuber, content creator, or blogger, you can use this with url.com. Also, if you have a business owner, then you can use this website. Okay, I prefer that you use premium feature. Okay, pricing. This is a premium feature. Premium feature is the best. Okay, also uh, otherwise you can use business or ultimate feature. Ultimate feature, short link unlimited, link click unlimited, data retention unlimited, 5 page 500, QR code unlimited, etc. Unlimited feature. Okay, you can use unlimited feature. If you use yearly package, if if you buy yearly package, then you can save 60%, basic 60%, advance 59%, premium 72%. I prefer uh, you can buy premium feature or you can buy ultimate feature. Okay, if are you a business owner or if you have a agency, you can use this feature ultimate plan. Okay, or you if you are a YouTuber or blogger, you can use this premium feature. Okay, at first you log in your account, then you can short link using this one. Okay, you can create bio page. Okay, bio page name. Okay, alias, then create. Okay, also you can use customization, design, setting, data, aesthetics, etc. Also you can create QR code. Okay, I use this free plan. So 20 QR code per month. I use 20 QR code per month. You can create single QR code or you can create bulk QR code. This is a static menu. You can view total click. Okay, etc. This is a country. Okay, which country are click your link. Then platform, top platform, etc. Channel. You can create channel. Okay, then a custom splash. Create a custom splash. Okay, then name counter, etc. Feature. This is a best URL shortener. Good. Okay, also this also better than Bitly. Okay, Bitly pricing is high. You can use this QuitURL.com. Pricing is very low, very low. Okay, This is the best URL shortener. You can use this URL shortener. Thank you.